How to use Fanvue beginner tutorial, full setup, posting, and monetization guide. Want to start earning on Fanvue but don't know where to begin? Here is the full beginner guide. So first, go ahead and sign up for a Fanvue account. And since you want to earn on Fanvue, simply click on this Become a Creator button, and that will take you into this sign up section. So into the section, you can go ahead and sign up for an account manually. You can also go ahead and sign up for an account with your Google account or your X account. So simply select the sign up method. Once signed in, go ahead and click on the start earning button. And then in here, go ahead and enter the referral code that you have received if you were referred. But if you weren't referred, you can simply click on this continue button. And then in here, you need to go ahead and enter your country of residence. And then after that, you need to go ahead and select your creator type. So you can be an AI creator, primarily generated or significantly edited using AI tools. Human creator content will be of yourself with no use of AI tools. So simply select your preferred creator type. And then after that, you need to answer what kind of content would you be creating. So if you're going to create adult related content, go ahead and select 18 plus content. But if your contents are kids friendly as well, you can simply select general content and then click on continue. And then in here, you need to create your name and handle. You can also skip this part. You can also go ahead and set your subscription price. So set your monthly subscription price for fans. Don't worry, you will be able to change this later. So you can also skip this if you prefer to do that. And then in here, you need to verify your identity. So you need to provide your ID card, government ID card. And then after that, you need to verify that the photo on your government ID matches the face that you have as the owner of the account. So simply click on this verify and start earning button, and you are good to go. So once you have provided the ID and provided your photo, so you can actually do this on your phone for easier upload. So once you have done this, you can go ahead and proceed on your dashboard on Fanvue. And that is how you can basically use Fanvue full setup, posting, and monetization guide.